Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So we are reporting live from Dollar General, and I'm sorry I'm getting a late start today, but better late than never. We are still about to get to the goodness, and I want to do a few 5 off of 25 scenarios. And as you can see, we are in the laundry section, specifically the gain section, because I want to do some gain deals. So our Gain digital coupons have changed up a little bit, but we're still going to make it do what it do, and we are still going to come up with some good deals, and we're going to stock up in a big way today. So we're going to grab some of these big bottles of Gain. We're going to go after the 150-ounce bottles. These are regular price $13.95, but we're going to use a $3 off digital coupon today. And this first deal that we are going to do is going to be all digital coupons, so anybody should be able to do these deals as long as you still have these digital coupons on your account. The next item we're going to grab is one of the 90-ounce Gain fabric softeners. So these are $6.95 regular price, and we have a $2 off one digital coupon. Now, because we're going to be using our 5 off of 20 Gain in combination with our 5 off of 25 store coupon, we have already met our Gain requirement with these two big items. So $13.95 plus $6.95, we are already at $20 in Gain products, so we can stop with the Gain with these two items. So this is what my first all digital Gain scenario looks like. All digital coupons. We will not be using any paper coupons in this deal. So I have the two Gain items that we just reviewed, but I also threw in some Suave items. So the Suave 2-in-1 Plus is $2 a piece, and I have a $3 off 2 digital coupon and a $1 off 1 digital coupon. If for some reason you don't have the digitals, we also have paper versions of these coupons. But if both of those apply, this Suave should be absolutely free, because the Suave is also on a instant savings where if you spend 6, you should save 2. So we should have absolutely no cost for the Suave after the $2 in instant savings and the $4 in manufacturer coupons. I also threw in a free Crest toothpaste. Those are $2 regular price. We have a $2 digital coupon that works on those, making that absolutely free. So the way this should work out is this is a total of $28.90 in product. And we are going to get an instant savings for the Suave, fingers crossed, of $2 off. That'll bring our total to $26.90. So that still makes us meet the required threshold for the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 Gain. So we have a $3 digital coupon for the Gain detergent. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Gain fabric softener, and we have the 5 off of 20 Gain coupon, and then we have the $2 off. We have the $3 off digital for the Suave, and we have the $1 off digital for the Suave, and the $2 off digital for the Crest. So after all of those coupons are applied, plus our 5 off of 25 coupon, y'all, this deal should be really cheap, all digital. But let's go up to the front and check out and see exactly how it's going to work. All right, you guys, so that worked out even better than I expected, because the Big Gain detergent is actually on sale for $13.50. So that was $13.50. Our digital came off. We had our Big Gain fabric softener for $6.95. We got our Crest and all 3 Suave products. Y'all, our subtotal came up to $5.45 for those 6 items. We paid less than $1 a piece, including these huge Gain items. I think I'm about to actually go back in and do this deal again. It was so good, so I'm going to do it again on another account real quick, and then we'll be on to our next store. All right, you guys, so that second transaction worked out perfectly. So as you saw, instead of getting the Crest in that transaction, I got one of the big extra fun pencils, because on that account I had already used my Crest coupon, but it still worked out perfect. So there is the Gain fabric softener. There is all of our Suave products. There is the big extra fun pencil. And then there is our big 150-ounce Gain detergent. Subtotal came up to $5.70. We had a total savings of $22, all digital coupons. Y'all, less than $1 per item on these huge Gain products. It does not get any better than that. And we are not using any paper coupons. That is so beautiful. So now I'm going to go on to my next store to see what I can put together there. Okay, now we're at store number 2. I'm about to do another Gain deal, but this time instead of getting the big detergents, I'm going to grab one of these 51 count Gain flings. We're going to be using the same $3 digital coupon. And instead of the liquid this time, I'm going to get one of the bigger Gain fireworks. These are also $6.95. We're going to use that $2 digital. All right, you guys, so this is our next all digital Gain scenario. So we are going to grab 2 of the Head and Shoulders as a filler item. These are $2 a piece, and we are going to be using our $3 off of 2 digital. We have one of the 10-ounce Gain fireworks. Those are $6.95. We are going to be using a $2 digital. We have one of the 51 count Gain flings. Those are $13.50, and we are going to be using a $3 digital. And then I also have 2 of the Welch's fruit snacks. Those are up front by the cash register. They are 33 cents a piece, and we are going to be using a $1 off of 2 digital on those. So our total before any digital coupons are applied should be $25.15, I believe. And then after all of our digitals come off, our 5 off of 25 and our 5 off of 20 Gain, y'all, this deal should be $6.15 for these big Gain items. So let's go up to the front and check out with this and see how it works. All right, you guys, so that worked out just the way we wanted it to. Let me show you my receipt. So there is our big 51 count Gain flings. There is our Head and Shoulders. There is our Gain fireworks. There is our Welch's fruit snacks. Subtotal came up to $6.13. We had a total savings of $19 on that deal. So that was a beautiful situation to get that big Gain flings. Now I'm going to work out one more deal, and then I'm going to be on my way home so I can get this video up for you guys. All right, you guys, so the first thing I'm grabbing in our next deal is going to be different than the Gain deal. These are $4.50. I'm going to get 2 of the Old Spice Swagger body washes. We're going to be using our $5.49 off of 2 digital coupon. All right, you guys, so this is going to be our last scenario, and this is going to be the only scenario that's not all digital. So the first thing I'm grabbing is 1 or 2, I should say, of these Pinolin cleaners. Is that how you say these? I just want to try these, but these have $1 coupons on them, and they are $2.35, I believe. That, at least that's what they're ringing up on the app. So I hope they're $2.35 because the shelf price says $2.65. So I don't know if they're on sale or what. We will figure it out at the register, but $2.35. We have a $1 Peely coupon that is on the product. Then I have 2 of the Swagger body washes for $4.50 each, so $9 for both of them, and we're going to use that $5.49 digital coupon. Then I have one of the Tide liquid laundry detergents. Those are $4.95 everyday price. I'm going to use a $2 off 1 paper coupon on that. And then my store has a little bit of Lysol, so I'm going to grab 2 of these Lysols for $2 each, and I will not be using any coupons on them. So to get my total over $25, because this is not quite $25 in products, I'm going to use a couple old digitals that I have on my account. I'm going to use the $1.50 off of 1 for the greeting cards, so $1.50 off of 3 for the greeting cards, and those are 50 cents each, so that's going to be free. And then I also grabbed a free ice cream because that digital is about to expire. So the push-ups are $1, and we have an older digital for $1 off of 1 of those, making that absolutely free. So after all of our coupons are applied, I'm thinking our total will be about $8 for this transaction with the Lysol included. I don't think that's a bad deal. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how this deal works. All right, you guys. So we are officially done with our 5 off of 25 transactions for today. We did a total of 4 transactions, and I think we did doggone good. So let me show you the outcome of our last transaction. As you can see, that worked out perfectly. There's our Tide liquid $2 paper coupon, our 2 Pinolin cleaners with the $1 Peelies. We had the Old Spice, we had the Lysol, and we had the push-up that I'm about to eat right now because it's so hot. Subtotal came up up to $8.20 for this deal. We had a total savings of $16.95. So that was a lot of items. That was 11 items for $8, y'all, including that Lysol that we did not have coupons for. So I don't think that was bad at all. So I'm about to take my tail home and get this video up for you guys. I hope these deals were helpful. If they were, please remember to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.